So we want to find the derivative of a cosecant inverse of x squared plus 1. So we're going to find the derivative of cosecant inverse, which we already know what it is. So first thing we need to do is we need to find what u is and then the derivative of u. So we're just going to use the formula to find the derivative. Then we're going to do a little bit of algebra on the square root. So x squared plus 1 is x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 1. So I can rewrite that as x to the fourth plus 2x squared plus 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, so that cancels. And then I can factor out an x squared. So if I factor out an x squared, I'm left with x squared plus 2. And now because it's a product, I can break them apart into two different square roots, and the square root of x squared is just x. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the problem. So I have negative 2x, absolute value of x squared plus 1, x square root of x squared plus 2. So my x's cancel. And I'm left with my answer. So notice that I left out the square root. There's a couple of reasons. Is one, they already tell me that x is always going to be greater than 0 no matter what. But also, if you look at the problem, is x squared plus 1, so that number is always going to be positive.